Imagine this for a moment. You're cruising down an open highway. The road stretches endlessly in front of you. The sun is slowly setting, painting the sky in warm orange and gold tones. And instead of sitting in a cramped car or dealing with the stress of travel, you're relaxed, comfortable, and completely at ease inside a motorhome that feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels. This isn't just travel. This is freedom, a place where classic design meets modern expectations. A motorhome that people still turn their heads to. A name that refuses to disappear, no matter how much time passes. Today, we're talking about the 2027 GMC Motorhome, a legendary RV that still shocks everyone, even decades after its original idea was born. Because somehow, even in 2027, this classic still feels ahead of its time. The GMC Motorhome was never just another RV. From the very beginning, it represented a different way of thinking. It wasn't about making something taller or bigger. It was about making something smarter, smoother, and more enjoyable to live with on the road. And that philosophy still shines through today. As you approach the GMC Motorhome, the first thing you notice is its low, wide stance. Unlike most motorhomes that tower over the road, this one sits confidently and close to the ground. The body is smooth and curved, almost futuristic, even by modern standards. The wide windshield opens up the front view, making every drive feel open and connected to the road ahead. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, letting natural light flood the interior and giving you incredible views wherever you park. This is the kind of motorhome that doesn't try too hard to impress. It simply does. Even in 2027, when you pull into a campground, people still stop and look. Not because it's flashy, but because it's timeless. Step inside, and the feeling changes immediately. The interior feels calm, open, and surprisingly spacious. Thanks to the low-floor design, the ceiling feels higher, and moving around inside feels natural and effortless. There's no awkward climbing or squeezing through tight spaces. Everything feels where it should be. The seating area welcomes you in like a comfortable living room. The couches are wide, supportive, and designed for real relaxation, not just for looks. Whether you're watching the sunset through the window or unwinding after a long drive, this is a space that makes you want to stay a while. The materials feel premium but practical, built to last through years of travel. As you move toward the kitchen, you realize how smartly everything is laid out. This isn't about luxury for show, it's about usability. The countertop gives you enough space to prepare meals without feeling cramped. The cooking setup is simple, efficient, and easy to use. Storage is placed exactly where you need it, so everything feels intuitive. Cooking here feels relaxed, whether you're making a quick breakfast or a full dinner after a day on the road. The dining area is cozy and perfectly positioned. It's the kind of place where mornings start slowly with coffee and a view, and evenings end with quiet conversations and good food. This is where memories are made. When it's time to rest, the sleeping area proves just how well thought out this motorhome really is. The bed feels like a real bed, not a temporary solution. There's enough room to move comfortably, and the lighting creates a calm, peaceful atmosphere. Road noise stays outside, and the insulation keeps the temperature comfortable no matter where you're parked. Whether you're by a lake, deep in the mountains, or stopped along a quiet highway, this is a place where you can truly relax and recharge. The bathroom follows the same smart design philosophy. It's compact, but never uncomfortable. You have everything you need: a proper shower area, a toilet, and a sink, all arranged efficiently to save space while remaining practical. It's clean, sturdy, and designed for real-world travel, not just showroom appeal. Now let's talk about driving, because this is where the GMC Motorhome really surprises people. Thanks to its front-wheel drive layout and low center of gravity, it feels stable and confident on the road. Highway driving feels smooth and controlled. You're not constantly correcting the steering or fighting against the wind. It feels planted, calm, and predictable. For a motorhome of its size, fuel efficiency is surprisingly good, something long-distance travelers truly appreciate in 2027. This is a motorhome you actually enjoy driving, not just parking. So why does the GMC Motorhome still shock everyone today? Because it was simply ahead of its time. While other RVs focused on being bigger, GMC focused on being better balanced. While others went taller, GMC went wider and lower. While many motorhomes felt like moving boxes, this one felt like a moving home. Even now, many modern RVs struggle to match this balance of comfort, handling, and thoughtful design. That's why collectors still chase them, travelers still admire them, and RV enthusiasts never stop talking about them. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose a classic GMC motorhome like this, or would you go for a modern luxury RV? Let us know in the comments which one you'd take on your next road trip. Owning a GMC motorhome isn't about showing off. It's about slowing down. It's about choosing the long road instead of the fast one. It's about waking up somewhere new, opening the curtains, and realizing that your home traveled with you. It's coffee by the window, sunsets from the driver's seat, and the kind of freedom that doesn't come with hotel check-in times. So yes, the 2027 GMC motorhome may come from a classic idea, but it still shocks everyone today. Because great design never expires. Comfort never goes out of style. And freedom will always be priceless. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a reminder that sometimes the best ideas arrive early and last forever. If you enjoyed this journey into one of the most iconic motorhomes ever made, make sure to hit the like button, it really helps the channel. Comment below and tell us your favorite part of this GMC motorhome. And if you love motorhomes, road trips, and lifestyle reviews like this, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the open road.